As you can see, the display is cracked. I don't think it's smashed, but it's cracked, and the display does not show all the characters the way it's supposed to. So I've got this partially taken apart. Let's finish up and take a look at what's on the other side. Just a couple of screws. And it looks bad. Since this machine is working with the metal, you can see all these metal shavings short circuiting and wreaking havoc on the display panels. Hopefully the chips haven't burned out, so we should be able to clean this up, replace the panel with replace the front face with a new one, and I'll show you what the new one looks like. Much better. This piece is 800 bucks. A lot. The problem here is this circuitry is not available. The machine is a few years old, and nothing for it is basically available. I mean, a couple of parts, mostly metal parts, but nothing electronic. To clean this up, we're going to, let's take this out. I keep the plastic on here not to make my table too dirty. Before I start my cleaning process, hopefully on the newer machines, the Armstrong has came up with a solution that this is bad. It's too thin. You can see how it flags, and the machine is working with metal. I mean, it's bonded that somebody will drop something on this and crack it through, or just with age. See, there's metal protection on here, but there is no protection on where it counts the most. All they had to do was put some plastic on the inside or on the outside, and that would have solved the problem. Some plexiglass. Well, they didn't, so I'm going to have to come up with a solution to protect this for the future. I don't know if much can be done. So, what we're going to use is basically a vacuum cleaner and a brush to clean this up. as I was cleaning this up, I thought of this machine as like a tough Harley driver. You can look tough on a Harley, but when you have medical problems, you're gonna be sick, just like the rest of us. And your Harley is not going to come visit you in the hospital. So it's only an image of toughness. When you see this machine in the workplace, it's big hunk of metal, cutting metal like butter. It looks tough and dirty, but without this fragile circuitry, that machine is worthless. Worthless hunk of metal. So what I'm doing right now is I'm using alcohol soaked pads to get this grease out and clean the display. Once it's through its hospital visit, it can go ahead and look tough again. No problems there. So just like all of us, to look healthy, we need to visit the doctor every so often. And then create an image of pure health. So, might need to go over these displays a few more times. Now it's lucky that there was nothing hard came through and cracked the glass. So it starts looking better. Now, metal shavings and electronics do not mix well. Usually, metal shavings win. So I have to go put this under a microscope, check every connection, make sure that nothing got damaged. This looks to be a problem, a little bit of a problem there, so that needs to be looked at. There's some shavings in there that I'm going to have to get out. In fact, there's quite a few shavings that got stuck because of the grease. Grease works like glue. But I got another tool that's going to help. So let's get that other tool out. This is the secret weapon. Yeah, this part right here needs to be checked very carefully. This here. Seems like the metal shaving just got stuck. Got this here. There's a little bit over here. See, there's the shavings. Get out. So basically, just go through and make sure that every little piece, where is it? Is removed. Once that's done, vacuum it, brush it, then alcohol it. So have to do it a few times, and then look close, make sure none of the contacts have been shorted, and it's going to be ready to go. So hopefully this helps somebody. Thank you.